A construction worker is recovering this evening after being stabbed by a man who he tried to wave through a construction zone last night. A very unusual situation. That man who is accused of stabbing him is now in the hospital after police shot him. Our Rich Donnelly is joining us live where this all happened in Ocean Way. And Rich, what more can you tell us about this situation and the person who was shot by police?
Anthony, we can tell you that Benjamin Kuby is currently in the hospital after he was shot by police. He's also charged with aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer and aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. Police shot him after they say he stabbed a construction worker at an I-295 off-ramp and then drove away from the scene. Late Tuesday night, police say Benjamin Kuby stabbed a construction worker who was waving traffic through a construction zone at the Main Street 295 interchange. That construction worker tells First Coast News that he's currently recovering, but police chased after Kuby and pulled him over almost 3 miles north.
At that point, the suspect got out of the car. They were giving him commands, get on the ground, let's see your hands. He approached with a knife and then started to charge at Sergeant Hoover.
This is the knife that JSO says Kuby was holding when 2 JSO officers tased, then shot him. He's still in the hospital with injuries. This mugshot is from a domestic violence arrest in 2019. And he's been on JSO's radar for more than a month after a different traffic issue back in October.
One of our officers that was working a traffic crash in traffic, he pulled up to him and did the finger thing. And basically he said, you're a dead man.
Kuby was not charged for anything related to that October incident, but police said they recorded his vehicle information. That's the same vehicle that was towed from the scene where Kuby was shot. Tuesday night's shooting was the third instance in the last 9 days of someone being injured when a JSO officer used their firearm to stop an incident. Sheriff TK Waters says his officers were justified in each of those actions.
These things are driven by other people. We're responding to situations that require us to respond. When we respond and someone offers something that's deadly toward a civilian or us, then we're going to take action. Ultimately, you're going to lose.
Sheriff Waters said that the state attorney's office is investigating the shooting, but he says that his officers acted within JSO policy. We're told that Kuby is in the hospital with critical but non-life-threatening conditions and non-life-threatening injuries. That construction worker is recovering after being stabbed. Reporting live in Ocean Way, Rich Donnelly, First Coast News, on your side.